investors, it's Derek Marlin with Elevation, back with another flip tip. This is one of our structural additions. Wanted to talk about a phenomenon called beam pop. And what that is if you've got a foundation wall and if you have your beam, the beam is actually popped outside of the wall. So we can kind of see if we zoom in right here that it is protruding out the exterior of the property. So what you have to do to fix this type of problem is you have to solidify the wall with what's called a helical pier. This is definitely a repair that's going to be in the several $1,000s range. So 100% fixable, just need to really budget up front. So if you're walking the exterior of the property and seeing concrete that's caving out, you've obviously got some issues. Ideally, we want to go downstairs in the basement and see if we can hopefully see that beam, and many times that beam is actually turning sideways as well, and that's kind of classic signs of what they call beam pop. Thanks for stopping by for another flip tip.